Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Welcome to biology class. We're studying chapter number 12, coordination and control. We have discussed in this chapter the components of nervous system, nerve cell or neuron and its types of nerves. Today's topic is division of nervous system. In this topic, we have discussed about the central nervous system and brain. Brain. What is brain? Brain is the control center of our body, of animal's body, of human's body. It acts as a control center and carry out all the activities and functions of the life. The structure of the brain is perfect for its function. How is brain protected? देखिए ब्रेन इतना सेंसिटिव पार्ट है बॉडी का, इसको किस तरह प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड की जाती है? तो देयर आर थ्री वेज टू प्रोटेक्ट द ब्रेन. फर्स्ट इज it is sorted inside the cranium. Second is it is covered by three layers, meanings that also provide protection as well as nutrients and oxygen. Third one, it contains ventricles that are filled with cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid protects against shock. Now come to the structure of brain. Mainly brain consists of three major parts. First part is forebrain. Second part is midbrain. Third part is hindbrain. Today we'll discuss about the forebrain. Forebrain consists of three subparts: thalamus, hypothalamus and cerebrum. Midbrain. Midbrain actually connects the forebrain with the hindbrain. So let's discuss the parts and functions of forebrain one by one. Thalamus. Thalamus, as I have noted on a page, forebrain is the largest area of brain. It consists of three parts. Thalamus. Thalamus is situated just below the cerebrum, as you can see from the diagram also. This is thalamus. This is the part of forebrain cerebrum. Thalamus is below the cerebrum. Thalamus cerebrum से बिल्कुल नीचे होता है. और थैलमस ब्रेन का वो वाला पार्ट है जो एक रिले सेंटर के तौर पे भी एक्ट करता है. इट मीन्स ये स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और ब्रेन को कनेक्ट करता है और ये इंफॉर्मेशन को रिसीव करके उन्हें मॉडिफाई करता है. ये इसका सेकेंड फंक्शन है. इसका थर्ड फंक्शन है पेन, परसेप्शन और कॉन्शियसनेस. आई हैव नोटेड डाउन द फंक्शंस ऑफ थैलमस इन पॉइंट्स. Serve as a relay center, modify sensory impulses or the information, pain perception and consciousness. These are the three main functions of thalamus. After the thalamus, the next part of the brain, forebrain, is hypothalamus. Hypo mean below. Hypothalamus is the smallest part of forebrain that is situated just below the thalamus. Thalamus के बिल्कुल नीचे और midbrain के साथ होता है ये वाला part. इट इज़ रफली द साइज़ ऑफ एलिमेंट. ये एलिमेंट के साइज़ के बराबर होता है. इसके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस देखते हैं दैट आई हैव नोटेड डाउन हियर. हाइपोथैलेमस, इट फंक्शंस एज अ लिंक बिटवीन नर्वस सिस्टम एंड एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम. यानी कि दो कोऑर्डिनेशन सिस्टम्स को, नर्वस सिस्टम को एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम के साथ कनेक्ट करता है. एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम के बारे में हम पहले बात कर चुके हैं कि ये इंजाइम्स की सिक्रेशन को कंट्रोल कर रहा होता है और हार्मोन्स की सिक्रेशंस को. So, hypothalamus indirectly also control secretions of pituitary gland that are mainly associated with endocrine system. It also controls feelings such as rage, fear, love, hate. The third part of the forebrain is smaller, cerebrum. It is the largest part of forebrain. The major functions of the forebrain that I have noted down are here. It acts as a control center for skeletal muscles, and it controls the thinking, intelligence and emotions of the brain. Let's explore its position. This is the cerebrum, the largest part of the forebrain. Cerebrum is mainly divided into two cerebral hemispheres. The interior parts of cerebral hemispheres are called olfactory bulbs. These are very important parts because these parts receive impulses from olfactory nerves and create the sensation of smell, as olfactory is a word that is associated with the sensation of smell. The upper layer of cerebral hemispheres is cerebral cortex, consists of gray matter. Gray matter. Cortex is the upper part of the cerebrum. It mainly consists of gray matter and white matter. You can have an idea about the gray and white matter from this diagram. This is the white matter and this is gray matter. Let's talk about these matter. The gray matter of nervous system consists of cell bodies and non-myelinated axons. It means these matters are mainly composed of neurons, but the gray matter consists of cell bodies and non-myelinated axons. But behind the layer, there is a white matter that is composed of myelinated axons and cell bodies. Cerebral cortex has large surface area, as you can have a look from diagram. Cerebral cortex is a large surface area. This surface area is folded into a skull with perfect organization. This surface area is divided into four lobes that are also called lobes of cerebrum. So these four lobes control different functions. The first lobe is frontal lobe. Frontal lobe control motor functions such as it permits conscious control of skeletal muscles, coordinates various movements in our speech. Parietal lobe. This lobe is associated with the sensory areas and impulses are received from these areas by this lobe. Occipital lobe. Occipital lobe mainly receives an